It's possible to change the font and color scheme of your Google Sheets file. To do this, go to Format and then Theme. Let's go over to the right-hand side. It gives you a bunch of presets, but you can go for the Customize option. Up here, it'll give you a preview of what the elements will look like after you've made your custom changes. So just as an example, for the chart background, I'll change it to something quite different to usual. And there we go, it's showing you what it looked like applied to your actual Google Sheets. So let's just change that back. But most of these customization options are fairly self-explanatory, but worth having a go if you have a very complicated Google Sheets with lots of different color schemes used. But for something like the text, I'm going to change it to a different preset. For some reason, it only gives you a few different options, but I'm going to go for something quite different like Comic Sans. And then let's go ahead and even change the color of the text to say red, just for something different. And let's press done and get rid of this. So as you can see, the text is in effect here. And one thing to note is that this is a global setting for your entire Google Sheets project, so it will affect other sheets as well, just worth keeping in mind. As far as I know, there isn't a sheet-specific color scheme. It just affects everything in your Google Sheets file.